So, I will introduce to you my partner. This is founder, FL Bulay.
And this is founder, Jessica Salboro.
So, we're doing this tutorial for our project in FE Review, Philnets. Today, we're going to discuss various communication equipments. But before we proceed to the discussion proper, we will let them hear first a thought about how important communication is. So the thought goes like this. A thought kept in brain is of no use unless and until it is shared with other individuals and the rest of the world.
The idea, no matter how brilliant it is, must come out for its successful implementation for it to be benefit to one and all.
So you see how communication is really important, right, founder?
Right. We really need it in dealing with our everyday life. Messages need to be passed, ideas need to be put into action, and in order to have a successful communication, we need communication equipments. So communication equipments are those equipments or devices that makes up communication networks, while these networks enables exchange information between computers placed in remote locations.
So that is communication equipment. So it will serve as a passage or a medium or a channel for these messages to pass through from the sender to the receiver?
That's right, founder. So let's get the ball rolling. So first in line in communication equipment is the line terminal devices.
So line terminal devices refers to the devices that are used for entering data into and displaying data from a computer or a computing system. So like for example, we have there is or the laptop, computer, calculator. So the user will input something like text, graphics, multimedia to these devices, and those devices will input those data that the user has inputted, right?
Oh yes, that's right.
So that is line terminal devices. So let's proceed to
multiplexing equipments. So these are the devices that uses a method by which multiple analog message signals or digital streams are combined into one signal over a shared medium. It combines several low-speed communication lines into high-speed communication line.
So we have the examples. So example are the frequency division multiplexing or FDM, and the time division multiplexing. So it's just like a converter, right, founder?
Oh,
so
yes.
Look at this one, a device method. So we can compare this equipment as a converter. So next in line is we have the switching equipments. So it can be placed inside a company buildings. It can also be used with public telephone circuits. So with the term switching, so what we have here, these examples are the switches.
So next is the branch equipments. This is used when connecting multiple terminals to the same communication line in the multiple point configuration used for bus topology LAN.
So I have known something, founder, that if you will connect those devices, it will perform faster. So here, this branch equipment, this will serve as a connector of these devices, like for example, laser, server, scanner. So these devices, this branch equipment will make that possible for these devices to be connected with one another. So we'll proceed to the next one, which is the inter-network connection. Inter-network connection. So these are the devices that connects network with other networks.
For example,
We have learned that in our Cisco, right?
Yeah.
Or the gateway, the router, the switches.
bridge, the spanning tree.
Yeah, that one. So this makes the internet possible, right, founder? So
yes,
we can connect to the other world, to the outside world. So from Philippines, we can connect to our relatives from the other country or abroad. So
next is the line connection equipment.
And the last but not the least, the line connection equipment. So this line connection equipment
It enables communication using line equipment.
So our example is the cable, optical
wires,
fiber, the
USB cord.
yes, it can be. So this this cable will connect devices like for example a computer to a computer to a switch, or a computer to a router, right, founder? So that ends our tutorial. Hope you like it. Hope you have fun. Good day and thank you for listening.